Hi, my name is Jana Brenhaug with Spelling Success. I've designed some game cards to be used to help reinforce the lessons that are taught in the Barton Reading and Spelling System. These games can be used with tutors, teachers, parents, and families to help reinforce the lessons. The cards are nice quality colored pictures that the students enjoy playing with. They're quality playing cards that come in a deck, and these cards can be shuffled and used over and over.
Do you have the sound S as in sun?
Yes, I have a snake.
Thank you. Do you have the sound Z as in zipper?
Go fish. Do you have the sound ch as in chick?
Nope, go fish. Do you have the sound P as in penguin?
Yes, I have a pig in the mud.
Sh as in ship and sh as in shower. I got a match.
Good, you get to go again.
Qua as in quilt. N as in nails.
T as in turkey. T as in 10.
Yay!
Yeah.
Go again.
As in house. B as in balloons. As in map and monkey.
I got it.
D as in duck and dog. Qu as in queen and quilt. V as in vacuum and vase. N as in nuts and nails. As in rocket and ring. Z as in zipper and zebra. Sh as in shower and ship.
Monkey. Map.
Ship. Shower. Ooh.
Lion.
Land. Oh. Sun.
Snake.